JD Cap 26 here, just tips and reviews and hobbies, and we got the Red Baron kit here, and I'm going to go through it, and I'll show you different parts, and make video clips of certain things you need to do in this kit. I'm not going to show you everything, but we're going to start to dive into this. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I want to show you the mustache goes under the nose, so you have to press it with your nail under the nose, and of course you're going to have to paint this, so I'm going to have to paint the face. If you follow the instructions, the struts slip in from the middle and then click in from the top, bottom and top. So the instructions are really good, so you shouldn't have any problem. Okay guys, you're going to have to slip this on this engine front here. Make sure the pin sticks out kind of far. And if it doesn't want to go on, you just want to sand the inside of that, okay? Don't cut it away like I did in the last one. Just needs to be sanded to slip on, okay? And then this snaps over that. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so there's 3 pins on the inside of this cover that goes on the black engine part, and that snaps onto there like that. And then you just spin it. And it'll go on, and then you just stop it with your finger. Okay, that's how it works. So the Red Baron's all done, and we'll just give it a spin here. And there he goes. He's taking off for flight for Snoopy, looking for Snoopy, and it'll go on the shelf. I thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short video, but I showed you all the important parts. I hope you're having a good day. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Just give it a stop there. And turn it. Yeah, I'll get you, Snoopy. This is the Red Baron.